This is just a quick Planet Doug YouTube channel note. Well, two notes actually. Note number one is if you recognize the area around me, you can see that I'm still in Kuala Lumpur. I'm still working on plans to go back to Sumatra, but for now I'm still here in wonderful KL. I'm just walking by the Eco Park right now. That's not the important note. The important note is note number two, and that is for the next 3, 4, or 5 videos, I'm dipping back into the archives. So I just don't want people to be too confused, because I still had some leftover videos from my trip to Penang that I never got around to editing. But in the last couple of weeks, I finished up those videos and they're uploaded to the channel now. So the next 4 or 5 videos that you see are actually going to be from Penang, and they're from my trip to Penang actually last year, before I came to KL and before I even went to Sumatra. Thing is that when I left from Penang, I took the luxury Aeroline bus from Penang down to KL. When I got to KL, I had like a backlog of videos to be edited from my time in Penang. And then I started getting very busy in KL. And before I could finish them all, I went to Sumatra, and I very quickly had a backlog of videos from Sumatra to work on. And these last few experiences in Penang just kind of fell by the wayside. I still had the original videos on hard drives, and I just never came up with the time to finish them. And then even when I did have the time, it seemed like it was so long ago, why bother at this point? But I thought, well, I had those experiences, I have the video in raw format, why not do kind of a rough edit of them and upload them to the channel? So I'm dipping into the archives for some videos. The next 4 or 5 videos are going to be from my last 3 or 4 days in Penang. So I'm sure it will still confuse a lot of people. They'll see videos from Penang and wonder why in the world I'm back in Penang. But I'm not in Penang. I'm still here in KL. These are just older videos from my previous trip there. So that's it. Little update about what's going on here on Planet Doug.